Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today our topic is principles of management. What is principle of management? General guidelines which helps to managers for decision making. As we all know, as a manager has to take a various type of decision in an organization for fulfilling the goal. So they have to fulfill some general guidelines which helps them for making a better decision. So we are going to learn the principles of management which was developed by the Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol is also known as the father of management studies and thoughts. Henry Fayol developed 14 principles of management which act as a guidelines for the manager. The first principle of management is division of work. According to this principle, the whole work of an organization is divided into small units and small tasks, and every task is assigned to the one person according to their responsibility and their experience and their qualification. The second is authority and responsibility. Authority means power and responsibility means obligation for the work. So according to this principle, there must be a balance between authority and responsibility. If one person have a authority, then he should also have the responsibility, and if one person have the responsibility, then he must have the authority of the work. The third principle of management is discipline. According to this principle, there must be discipline between the both levels, superior and subordinate level. The disciplinary action not only required to the subordinate level, but it also is applicable to the senior level. There must be clear and fair agreement between the subordinates and superiors. The fourth principle of management is unity of command. According to this principle, employee should receive orders from the one boss or one superior, and he is accountable only for the one boss and one superior. Because if he receive order from different bosses, then he will get confused and he will not able to perform the work according to his capabilities. The fifth principle of the management is unity of direction. According to this principle, one unit and one plan means every employees of the organization must be directed towards one direction, that is achievement of a common goal. The sixth principle of management is subordination of individual interest to general interest. As we all know, every organization has an objective and every employees are working with some objectives. If the objective of individual and organization are in same direction, then there is no problem. But if the objective of the individual and organization are in different direction, then manager has to reconcile the individual interest with the organizational interest. If there is no possibilities, then individual goal must be sacrificed for the organizational goal. The seventh principle of management is remuneration of work. According to this principle, every employees of the organizations are get fair remuneration for their work. Every employees of the organization are get fair wages, fair salaries for their work. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये था हमारा प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट का फर्स्ट पार्ट. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.